Itsy witsy spider came up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rains. And the itsy witsy spider climbed up the spout again. I'm done.
What other song? What other song?
Itsy witsy spider.
Other song.
Twinkle twinkle.
Okay.
Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, next.
Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep don't have any moves. I don't need some Baba Black Sheep move. I can do it.
Okay.
I cannot do it.
You just sing.
Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my day. One for the little boy who lives in the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. I'm done.
No, no shout. You just talk to her. Talk to her so she will not cry. How about Ponyo Ponyo?
Ponyo, ponyo. Can I dance?
Okay.
Ponyo, 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 fishy in the sea. Tiny little fishy, who
Careful.
could you really be? Ponyo, ponyo, ponyo.
She can see you. Stay here. There. Move.
Ponyo, ponyo, fishy in the sea. Tiny little fishy, who could you really be? Ponyo, 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 magic set you free. Pretty little girl with the rounds on me. Tippy toe, jump and hop. Now that I got my legs, I cannot stop. Pat, patty, pat, waving hello. Come hold hands with me, dancing we go. My feet are skipping hard too. Happy are we are. Maybe I might love you. Maybe I might love you. So hold on tight and hold me close. You're my hero, Ponyo, 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 fishy in the sea. Tiny little fishy, who could you really be?